Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm trying to solve the problem shuffle the array. So given we have the numbers of array consists of 2n, for example if n is equal to 2, so we will have 4 elements in the list. And it's ordered like this: x1, 2, and order to the end like this. For example, we have 2, 5, 1, 3, 4, 7, and n is equal to 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 because it's 2n. And we have to return the shuffle orders. For example, 2 and 3, then 3, 5, then 4, and 1, then 7. And this is example 1. x1 is 2, x2 is 5. Yeah, then it's go like this: 2 followed by 3, then 5 followed by 4, and 1 followed by 7 here. This one also uses the same logic, and the maximum number is 1000. Yeah, so I think this we can solve it using the something like a zip, or maybe we just iterate through the list and get the output. I think I yeah I think we can like create output list. Okay, like this, and then we loop through the range. Okay, and then we do. I think we could do it because we have 2n. I think because we have 2n, so we should loop for n times, right? Yeah. For I in range n. Alright, and then if we loop through this, we can append the number to the output list, like nums, the index I, and then output list, and nums go to I plus n, because also n3 0 plus 3, we get this one. Okay, do you understand that, right? Because for the first iteration, our I will be 0, and 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, and we get these items. Then we return the output list. I think okay, we can try. Yeah, it's working, and maybe we can submit. Okay, it's passed. Yeah, I think one more thing: if the length, if n is equal to 2, that means we will, if n is equal to 1, that's, I mean n is equal to 1, then we can return none because we will have only x1 and y1, right? I think it should work. And submit. Yeah, it's working as well. Yeah, and that's it. Please like and subscribe and see you next time. Thank you.